What is up, guys? This is Mike Dean with First Step Travelers. So if you saw in the last video, we have just left the capital city Quito, and we're going to make our way to the beautiful little town in the clouds called Mindo, so that we can relax in the rainforest and definitely try out some extreme sports. Now, if you're going to want to make your way to Mindo from Quito, you're going to have to take a bus. So catch an Uber to the Santo Domingo bus station.
Hey, hombre, es normal en it's not normal. No? That lift is illegal. Oh, that lift is illegal.
It's the wrong kind of Uber.
And get yourself a $3 ticket heading to Mindo. The bus ride is about 4 hours away, and there's usually some lively people on the bus to keep you entertained.
Hola, tengo chica famosa y colombiana. Mucho dinero para sell cocaína.
Yeah, who are you?
Claudia. Nice to meet you. How do you do?
And what are you doing here?
Here, I am living. Living?
Sí.
Yeah, living.
And traveling?
And traveling.
Yeah?
Y exploramos.
And exploring new places.
What do you think so far?
It's the most beautiful experience that you can have.
Yeah?
For many cultures.
Looking at you like, hey baby.
Hey, baby.
Hey baby.
Where's those? Let me get some helados.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Oh my God. He's saying hola.
Hola. Hola, niño.
We have babies to sit.
Yeah, I'm just taking care of La Niña. She's sleeping.
Now once you're there, you'll notice Mindo is a small, quiet, tranquil little town sitting in the clouds with an iconic iglesia. It's always raining in Mindo, so be prepared for that. There are plenty of mom and pop shops you can go grab food at.
It's only $2.50. Oh my god.
And juice.
There you go.
And plenty of small cabanas that you can find and stay in for about $10 a night.
It's $10 a person, and it's really nice. It's super peaceful up here. People have just been helping us out as we were walking around, and the town's really nice, man. It's super nice, it's super peaceful. We're up in the clouds. This place is known for like cloud rainforest, all kinds of stuff like that. So we're gonna go check it out. Extreme sports, kayaking.
There's some waterfall rappelling too.
Waterfall rappelling. So we're gonna spend a little money and go do some fun stuff. Oh yeah, sorry guys, but we got
an intruder.
we got this one. That's not creepy.
Not at all. Like not at all with the bushes.
I'm pretty sure she robbed a bank in Colombia.
Yeah, that's how she has all the money she has.
And this one. Hi.
I know. Beautiful. Pollo time.
What kind of pollo?
Pop.
Papi pollo.
So since we were all very tired from the ride, we decided to do something relaxing.
Hey guys, so we are at this really cool hummingbird feeding, watching area, something like that, I don't know, but it's really cool. It's only $4, come check this out.
We made our way to a little hostel called Hostel El Descanso, and in the back, you can sit out on the patio and watch tons of hummingbirds feed. But watching these birds coupled with the calming rain shower on the tin roof was very relaxing. Right after that, it was time to do something a bit more extreme. So we caught a taxi about 15 minutes away and signed up for the Mindo Canopy Tour zip lines, which will cost you about $15. Now, I have never zip lined in my life before, but I definitely was not disappointed.
Oh shit.
There's about a total of 10 zip lines that you have to cross, and for $15, that's not a bad deal. You can definitely tell I was having a pretty good time.
I was not ready. Oh man. I looked down, I was like, oh hell no.
Not to mention all the crazy ways they can take you across the canopy. All in all, this was an hour of absolute fun. And once you're done flying through the rainforest, you can even do this crazy bungee jump, which was absolutely terrifying.
Are you having second thoughts? Are you scared?
No.
Are you scared for your life?
I'm scared. Oh no!
And unfortunately, the battery died right before she jumped, so I didn't get to record it. But I was able to run back and grab a new battery for my jump. And I definitely handled the jump like a warrior.
You guys are crazy. Oh my god.
So last on our list for Mindo is waterfall rappelling. But to get there, you're going to have to take an amazing hike into the jungle. Now the hike itself is absolutely beautiful. You're going to get some amazing views on the way. But once you reach the waterfalls, the guide hooks you up, explains how to rappel properly, and all there is left to do is literally walk backwards down a terrifying waterfall. Now, if you've never done any rappelling before, it can be a really scary thing. You're literally standing horizontally against gravity as you walk down a waterfall. The entire time you feel like you're just going to fall. But if you do it right, you should be safe. Now, a quick bit of advice, don't be like me and wear next to nothing. The water is cold, so I would advise wearing something insulated. But once you reach the bottom of the first falls, you realize that once you're in, there's no other way out other than rappelling down the last two waterfalls. So if you didn't like the rappelling of the first one, you're kind of out of luck, because there's no other way out. All in all, this was a scary but rather fun experience. I freaking loved it, and I would definitely do it again. And I think if her and I can do it, you definitely can do it yourself. And once you've made it down all three waterfalls, you take another hike through the jungle, back out to the highway, where you get picked up and head back to Mindo. Definitely a day well spent.